The next website I kind of want to go over is Khan Academy. I think there's mixed feelings about Khan Academy, and I know some schools use it as kind of a supplemental teaching. I think you can learn a lot off of it. I believe that there's tons of different subjects, as you can see on here. What classes are you teaching? I kind of went in and set up a new one just to try to make it a little bit easier. So then it would tailor itself to me. Am I college admissions, careers? Am I studying for SAT prep? Economics, arts, history. What am I doing? So, like, if I was going to go in and say, "Hey, I teach biology," I don't teach math myself, but I teach a lot of um, you know, as far as high school goes, you teach a little bit of that. So let's say I go in there and I want it, and that's what my choice, mine isn't listed. Great, I hit on that. So now I have a class. So then I could add new classes. I could go in. I could kind of look at that. I could look at students. I could look at different resources. And it would teach me test prep, everything else. So the other things that you can do is you can find good videos on Khan Academy. Let's say I wanted to, look up agriculture, and hey, here's a video on the spread of agriculture and everything from Neolithic period kind of on. So, well, that's fun. Should I accept that or not? I probably better decline this time. So what you would end up doing is once I looked up agriculture and I wanted to see a video on that, well, it's going to pull it up. And from there, it would go through and kind of tell me about
Hey, Rosie. Hey, Dave.
whatever subject I wanted. It's a world tour of agriculture. It'll bounce it along through the dawn of agriculture. It has it all on there. So you can learn massive quantities of information. What I like to do is I actually like to use some of this as supplemental information in my instruction. If they have a very good way of doing something, I will pull that video and I will show a clip here or there of it and kind of work it in to what I want to do. I think you can if you're curious about something you really want to learn, this is a good one, a good website to go for. So just to kind of let you know, but thank you very much.